Alright, we got a no heat call. This is a 100-year-old house, and another company has worked on it. If people would like a second opinion, they have told the homeowner a few things that sounded a little bit strange to me. So I offered to go ahead and take a look. So let's see what we find. Okay, here's exactly what we come to. I don't know what that pan's there for. Looks like the condensate pump is pulled up out of the spot it goes in. Maybe it's bad, I don't know. And it looks like somebody's been trying to work on it. Tapping. So I think this is an old Nordyne unit, but not 100% positive of that. See if we can. Looks like that's what it is. Alright, so looks like they've already put a jumper wire on there for me. That's good, going from R to W. And they told them something about they needed to try something next, or this and that just sounded fishy to me. It does look like they've replaced a board that they said they did. So we'll see what we get. I didn't get it to fire a minute ago, but I did think I got the glow plug, so I pulled this cover off so we can watch it a little closer and see what's going on. I heard it click, so yeah, here comes the hot surface igniter, glow plug, whatever you want to call it. And so in a few seconds, hopefully we'll get a signal to the gas valve. Figure out what's wrong here and try to get these people some heat. Well, that's an awful long. Well, there went the gas valve. Low gas pressure. Big time. I wonder if this regulator is no good or stopped up, or if the valve's not good, so let's investigate that. So it definitely wanted to ignite, and it just barely lit 2 burners. So let's figure that out and see what. Okay, we replaced the gas valve after we determined the inlet pressure was normal, but we were getting almost nothing out of the manifold side. I mean, the manifold side was just barely even triggering the numbers on the manometer. Now this is a White Rogers valve. It's not the exact valve for this Nordyne furnace, but I think this is a 99 model furnace. I don't think they're gonna care what kind of valve we put on it, but this is one that Trane uses. It's probably not the cheapest one I could buy, but they're handy in the Trane store there. So we're going to fire it back up and see if we get the whole burner to light this time. Hopefully we do, and get these people some heat. Probably still going to recommend replacement to them, just based on how rusty it was in here. And 17 years old. It was a cheap furnace to begin with. Not the worst, but nonetheless, we might neaten up a little bit of this wiring a little bit. I found out who was here, so I'll give them their jumper wire back when I see them in the supply house. See looks like we've got hot surface ignition. So we should be firing up any minute now. Hopefully the whole burner lights up. There she goes. Definitely sounds better than before. It would only look like they got a little bit of this inlet struggling to get air. It also looks loose. Maybe this clamp up here. Going into the pump. I don't even know if that pump's any good or not. We're going to talk to the customer and see what they want out of all this, and we'll do some more to it if that's what they want, but I'm going to recommend replacement, but at least they've got heat for the night. So